Hello, and welcome to episode 2 of the Agentic Shift, the AI and Automation weekly series. Today, we are looking at a real-world example that shows exactly why intelligent automation matters. Aviva has detected a record £230 million in insurance fraud. And the story behind that number is even more important than the number itself. Because fraudsters are no longer doing this in old-fashioned ways. They are now using AI to generate photorealistic crash scenes, fabricated repair invoices, and medical reports that never actually existed. One person, one laptop, one generative AI subscription. And suddenly dozens of fraudulent claims can be created without ever leaving a desk. So how does a company respond when fraud itself becomes AI-powered? Aviva's answer: fight AI with AI. Let's look at how this works. In the old model of basic automation, the process looked like this. A claim is flagged. It goes into a queue. A human investigator reviews it later. Then that person manually checks the documents, the images, the invoices, and the claim history. That works, but only up to a point. It does not scale well, and it struggles when fraud becomes synthetic, fast, and increasingly convincing. What Aviva is doing now with intelligent automation is much smarter. The system screens every transaction in real time. It cross-references millions of data points instantly. It looks for patterns across accident details, timestamps, repair costs, and historical claim behavior. And instead of flooding investigators with noise, it surfaces only the cases with the highest probability of fraud. Then, the human investigator makes the final call, and that is the key point. The AI does not replace judgment. It removes the haystack so humans can focus on the needle. And even more importantly, this system keeps learning. With every scan and then with every fraud case found, the AI engine updates its models. So it becomes better at spotting patterns, better at identifying risk, and better at catching suspicious behavior earlier the next time. That is what makes this more than just automation. It is a learning system, a feedback loop, a continuously improving fraud detection engine. And Aviva is not doing this with guesswork. They are using their AI tools plus advanced analytics alongside human oversight to flag suspicious claims faster and more accurately. That combination is powerful because it balances speed with accountability. AI handles the scale. Humans handle the final judgment. Now, let's look at the production scale numbers announced in June 2026. First, £230 million in fraudulent claims detected, a record high. Second, over 18,400 suspect claims flagged in a single year. And third, around 30 bogus claims per day stopped through real-time and batch screening, all driven by a human-in-the-loop process where AI flags the risk and humans decide the outcome. These are not pilot numbers, these are production scale results. And that is why this example matters so much, because the real story is not that AI is replacing investigators. The real story is that AI is doing what no human team could do at this scale, cross-referencing accident physics, timestamps, repair costs, document patterns, and claim history across millions of records in seconds. While basic automation flags anomalies, intelligent automation finds the hidden pattern. And then it gives the human the small set of cases that actually deserve attention. So as fraud becomes more AI-powered, the defense has to become more AI-powered too. And Aviva is showing us exactly what that looks like in the real world. Drop your thoughts below and I'll see you next week on the Agentic Shift series.